Welcome to this tutorial on adding space between bulleted lists in WordPress. In this walkthrough, you will learn the sequence of actions required to adjust spacing between your list items and enhance your website's visual appeal. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. This is your starting point for managing and editing your website content. Once you have landed on the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner where you will find an option to log in. Click on the login button to initiate the sign-in process. WordPress has made the login experience as streamlined as possible, and by selecting this option, you are getting ready to access your site's back-end features. After clicking on login, you will see an option to continue with a recognizable terrain of your favorite online platform. Choose the Continue with Google option. This alternative allows you to sign in quickly using your existing Google account credentials without the need to remember another password. When you click the Continue with Google button, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your preferred Google account. Select the account you regularly use in connection with your WordPress activities, which will help ensure that you are accessing all your site's attributes seamlessly. After successfully logging in with your Google account, navigate to the Quick Links section. Here you will find a number of essential tools. Look for the option labeled Edit Site. This option is your gateway to customizing and updating your website. By selecting Edit Site, you make the transition from simple browsing to the active editing mode, where you can make live changes to your website's design and content. Once you have entered the editing view, you will see a list of your websites. Click on the website you wish to modify in order to begin the editing process. Doing this allows you to specifically target the site that needs your adjustments or updates. With the website ready for edits, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you will see a plus icon that facilitates the addition of new elements into your page. Click on this plus icon to reveal the options for adding various content blocks. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear. In this search field, type the word list. This will filter the available options to display list blocks, which are particularly useful for creating structured, bulleted content. Once the list option appears on your screen, click on it to add the list block directly into your web page. After the list block is on your page, you are free to add the text that you desire. As you type in your content for each list item, remember that proper spacing significantly improves readability. To insert a spacing between list items, hold down the Shift key and press Enter simultaneously. This combination allows you to create additional line breaks within the same list structure, giving your content a cleaner and more organized appearance. Once you have finished adding and formatting your list items, the final step is to preserve your hard work. Locate the Save option in the top right corner of your editing window and click on it. Saving your work ensures that all of the changes you have made are stored and will reflect on your live website. This concludes the process of adding space between bulleted lists in WordPress. Following these carefully outlined steps will help you achieve a more polished look for your lists, enhancing the overall user experience on your website. Enjoy the improved aesthetics and functionality created with these simple yet effective adjustments.